God took the strength of a mountain, the majesty of a tree, the warmth of a summer sun, the calm of a quiet sea, the generous soul of nature, the comforting arm of the night, the wisdom of the ages, the power of the eagle's flight, the joy of a morning in spring, the faith of a mustard seed, the patience of eternity, the depth of a family need. Then God combined these qualities, and then there was nothing more to add. He knew his masterpiece was complete, and so he called it Dad. Throughout your life, he's there for you in countless little ways to hold your hand and cheer you on, to share his love and faith. He is family, friend, and confident, all rolled into one, protector and provider, a shoulder to lean on. He fills your life with laughter. He's there to see you through. He loves you just the way you are and no matter what you do. He's a special gift from God. His love, it knows no end. The world is such a better place and happier by far when you have a special dad to love with all your heart. For everything you do, thank you, Dad. He never looks for praises. He's never one to boast. He just goes on quietly working for those he loves the most. His dreams are seldom spoken. His wants are very few. And most of the time, his worries will go unspoken too. He's there, a firm foundation, through all our storms of life, a sturdy hand to hold on to. In times of stress and strife, a true friend we can turn to. In times of good or bad, one of our greatest blessings, the man we call our dad. To be heard without saying a word, to be hugged when I'm feeling blue, to be understood when I'm confused. So rare was a dad like you. Your loving smile, a gentle laugh, made all the difference in my day. Your endless wisdom and timeless advice always helped me find my way. In you, there was no equal. You were in a class all your own, and because of all the love you gave me, I'll never be alone. It's an honor to have you known, to have shared stories and dreams. I'll always think of you smiling. No matter how tough life seems, you're still special beyond compare. Your heart, so kind and true, I wish that everyone on earth could have such a dad like you. I can't repay the lessons that you taught when I was small, or give you gift for gift, the daily treasures I recall. I can't return encouragement or loving words of praise in quite the way you did for me throughout all my childhood days. But there's one gift that I can give. It's all the love you've earned, for love is what you always taught, and love is what I learned. You may have thought I didn't see, or that I hadn't heard. Life lessons you taught me, but I got every word. Perhaps you thought I missed it all, and that we'd grown apart. But, Dad, I picked up everything. It's written on my heart. You built a strong foundation, and no one can take away. I've grown up with your values, and I'm very glad I did. One day is not enough to honor how special of a father you truly are, because you're amazing every day of the year. Thank you for all that you do. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. May this Father's Day bring you everything you desire and everything you dream. May success accompany you in every step that you take. You are our hero.